Abubakar Malami, former Attorney General of the Federation, has criticized chieftain of the All Progressive Congress (APC) for taking turns to endorse President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election bid. Malami spoke during a meeting organized by the National Political Consultative Group in Abuja on Sunday. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, presidential candidate of the Labour Party in 2023, Chibuike Amechi, former governor of Rivers State, were among opposition leaders who attended the meeting. The gathering was one in a series of consultative events by opposition leaders seeking to forge a coalition against Tinubu. In his keynote address, the ex-AGF said Tinubu's policies are crippling the economy of northern Nigeria. Malami said rather than address the myriad challenges bedeviling the country, endorsing Tinubu for a second time in office has taken center stage in the ruling party. The former AGF urged stakeholders to form a united front to reclaim the country and create a peaceful and prosperous Nigeria. Malami served as the Attorney General of the Federation from 2015 to 2023 under the APC-led administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari. While his statement has sparked reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. You can as well share your opinion in the comment box section below. And keep watching NaijaNews TV.